My dear students of class 6, I am going to start chapter 5, percentage and its application, enrichment question. Question is, complete the given magic square. This is magic square. We know that horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines known as columns. So we consider this as row 1, this as row 2, this as row 3 and this as row 4. Similarly, vertically we consider this as column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Here we see first box and third box of row 3 are unknown. Similarly, third box of row 3 and fourth box of row 1 are unknown. For the solution of this question, we write. We first take the complete valued row or complete value column. We take either of the two. Either we take complete valued row or complete value column. Let us take complete value row, that is row 4. All entries in the boxes are given in row 4. Row 4. Sum of entries in the boxes of row 4 equals to 8 by 5, 30%, 2 by 10, 1.3. 8 by 5, the value is 1.6, we divide here. 30% means 30 by 100, 0 and 0 cancel. 2 by 10 and 1.3 same. 1.6 same. 3 by 10. Since after 1 there is 1 0, so decimal shifted from right to left 1 digit. So its value is 0.3. 2 by 10 similarly. There is 1 0 after 1, so decimal shifted 1 digit from right to left, so its value is 0.2. We write 1.3 same. The sum of these values is equals to 3.4. Row 1, 40% plus 1.5 plus 7 by 5 plus box equals to 3.4. Here we write this sum 3.4 here. Now, why? Because sum of entries of all boxes of any row and any column must be 3.4. So we write here 3.4. 40% means 40 by 100, 0 and 0 cancel, 1.5. 7 by 5, here we divide, we get 1.4 plus box equals to 3.4. When we add these three values, we get 3.3 plus box is equal to 3.4. To find out the value of box, we transpose 3.3 from left to right. So we get box equals to 3.4 minus 3.3. The sign of 3.3 is plus, so when it is shifted from left to right, the sign will be negative. Then the value of the box equals to 1.1. 1.1 can be written 1 by 10. When we change in percent, we multiply by 100, we write in bracket and percent. 0, 0 cancel, it is 10%. Row 2, 1.1 plus 0.6 plus box plus 1.2 equals to 3.4. This sum. This equals to 2.9 plus box is equal to 3.4. Therefore, value of box is equal to 3.4 minus 2.9. This 2.9 shifted from left to right. The sign is negative. Then after subtraction we get value of the box is 0.5. This can be written 5 by 10. For percent we multiply by 100. We put in bracket and then percent. 0, 0 cancel, 5 10 50%. Column 1. Column 1, here we get 8 by 5 plus box plus 1 decimal 1 plus 40% is equals to 3 decimal 4. This sum 3 decimal 4. This equals to 1 decimal 6. By division we get here 1 decimal 6, box 1 decimal 1, 40% means 40 by 100, 0 and 0 cancel. This equals to 3 decimal 4. Now we write 1 decimal 6 same, box same, 1 decimal 1 same, and here 4 by 10 can be written 0 decimal 4. This equals to 3 decimal 4. This equals to 3 decimal 1 plus box is equal to 3 decimal 4. This implies that box is equal to 3 decimal 4 minus 3 decimal 1. 3 decimal 1 transposed from left to right. We get box equals to 3 decimal 4 minus 3 decimal 1. The sign is negative. After subtraction we get 0 decimal 3. This implies that box equals to 3 by 10. This equals to 3 by 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 3 10s are 30%. Now column 3. In column 3, here we see 2 by 10 plus box plus 50% plus 7 by 5 equals to 3 decimal 4. This implies that 0 decimal 2, 2 by 10 value is 0 decimal 2, then 0 decimal 5, 50% the value is here, and then box plus 1 decimal 4. When we divide 7 by 5 we get 1 decimal 4 plus box is equal to 3 decimal 4. 2 decimal 1 plus box equals to 3 decimal 4. Box equals to, value of box equals to 3 decimal 4 minus 2 decimal 1. This equals to 1 decimal 3. This can be written 13 by 10. In mixed number we get 1 whole 3 by 10. This is the answer of column number 3. Now we put these values in the boxes. We get first box of row 3, the value is 30%, we put here. In third box of row 3, we put the value 1 whole 3 by 10 here. Now third box of row 2, the value is 50%, we put here. And fourth box of row 1 is 10%, we put here. This is the answer of this question. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you very much.